Growing a Discord server takes time, especially when you're starting from scratch. The real challenge isn't creating a server, it's getting the right people into it. That's where Discord Scraper comes in. Discord Scraper is designed to help you grow your server by reaching users who are already active in similar or competitor public Discord communities. From the dashboard, everything is simple and easy to access. I start by opening the Scrape Members section and pasting the invite link of a public Discord server where my target audience already exists. As soon as the link is added, Discord Scraper detects the server and displays live member details. With one click, scraping begins, and active members start loading in real time, while detailed logs show the progress clearly. Once the scraping process is complete, the collected members are saved into a CSV file. This allows you to reuse, manage, or import the data whenever you want. Next, I move to the Add Members section, where I paste the invite link of my own Discord server. I then import the CSV file containing the exported members. Before starting, I securely log into Discord so the tool can connect properly with the Discord API. I set a safe time interval between each added member to keep the process smooth and controlled. When I start adding, members begin joining automatically, and the server's member count updates live. In this example, the server started with just 19 members. After several hours, it grew to over 5,700 members, all reflected live on Discord. This is real growth, real results, and a complete workflow built to help your community scale efficiently with Discord Scraper.